what a law firm provides. Of course, we're talking about the legal services.
Yes.
There are a wide range of legal services, from commercial to criminal to a wide range. So you find one particular law firm specializes in one area of practice.
Yes.
Like, for example, here we specialize in commercial, corporate commercial.
Okay.
You find another law firm specializes in criminal. Another law firm specializes in everything, family, criminal, commercial. Again, there's a client base. When you come up with a law firm, what is your client base? What is your target clientele? Is it everybody in the street, or is it the corporate commercial clients? If it is everybody in the streets, that's where you find you try to go all out, marketing yourself on TV, on radio, you're giving talk shows, you put very big billboards outside your office, because those are your target clientele.
That's true.
But if your target clientele is the corporate commercial, the only thing you need to do is to execute your work professionally.
Yes.
And then there are referrals. So, for example, if it is a bank, equity, or cooperative bank, they will talk amongst themselves and say, who is the best at, say, charges? Who is the best at whatever area of practice there is? Then you find that you're referred to that. Then the structure. How is the structure of a firm? Of course, there's the partners, there's the senior associates, then associates, and then you come down here, you find their clerks, and then the other subordinate staff. Okay? So the structure of the firm also matters, because the person you think is the lowest in the firm actually plays a big role. Let's talk about a cleaner. Okay? You come to the office, the office is clean, you settle on your desk, there is tea, your desk is clean. So every person in the food structure plays an important role, right?
Yes.
And then now we move to partners and associates. We have already talked about the owners of the firm, who are the partners. Again, these are more like the shareholders in a company. And then now they are the associates. So associates would support the partners, all right? Then firm size. We've talked about how big or small the firm is. You find that some law firms like Anjarwala, they have over 100 lawyers, all right? Then you find here we are 10 lawyers. We are still small, we're still growing at a
There's
pace.
nothing small about your office, but okay, no problem.
Yeah, then you move, as you move up the ladder, again, I always say there is enough for everyone.
Yes.
Right? So the cherry that Anjarwala, for example, would bite may not be enough, may not be small for your mouth. It may be too big for your mouth, so you end up choking. So you've been given an instruction that is too big for your execution.
Yes.
Yeah. So you cannot again fight up there when you do not have the capacity to execute the instructions. Hence specialization. So a firm should be able to employ or to absorb advocates who are specialized. And this one happens with liking from first year of law school. I'm sure from first year of law school, there is something that you liked.
Yes.
Yeah? And now you cannot have liked commercial law and you come out here and you want to practice criminal law.
But circumstances at times force you.
No. We are going to get to that, how building a law firm takes time. Yeah, it takes time. It's not instant coffee.